Hi homeowners! Can you name the top 5 renovations you can do now for your future resale in mind? Hi, I'm Tara Lauterbach with Heritage Properties and the Tara Lauterbach Group. As a homeowner looking to sell, whether now or in the future, you may be wondering what home improvements can you do to help maximize your return on your investment. Well, let's look at the top 5. Paint color. Color is one of the most basic and appealing ways to update your space without breaking the bank. When choosing color, it's always best to go with the neutrals. Curb appeal. We all know making that first impression is key. Well, it's all about creating an inviting and visually appealing exterior that captivates everybody passing by. This is why having the exterior of your home updated with lighting, planting, and landscaping, all of these improvements will help elevate your curb appeal. Ongoing maintenance. Maintenance repairs are crucial to ensure that your home's value. If you're unwilling to take on these repairs yourself, hire a professional. Maintaining your home will bring more rewards, not only when you live there, but also when you go to the market. Kitchens and bathrooms. Cha-ching! Although these two spaces can get costly to renovate, they're often the first areas buyers critique and scrutinize when buying a home. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars to renovate. Simple things like updating your cabinets or appliances, or maybe adding a new light fixture can. Scents. Yep, home smell. Make sure your home passes the smell test. Nobody likes a smelly home. Make sure your carpets stay cleaned and maintained, no exterior garbage or anything around that creates odors. If you'd like to learn more about the smell test, comment "smell" below and we'll reach out to you. For this and other homeowner tips, please follow my page. I'm Tara Lauterbach, Heritage Properties, fulfilling dreams one home at a time.